Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to spot trade on Weex. So we click here on spot, and then after that we search here for the amount that we want to trade, or amount, I mean currency. So we write down BTC, so we have Bitcoin here to US dollar. And then here is the chart. Now what we're gonna do is we want to fill in here a price where we want to buy Bitcoin. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin on 80,000. We fill in here 80,000. Then from here we select the amount of Bitcoin that we want to buy. Now I don't have Bitcoin on this account, but we can drag it to 10%. But if you want to, we can we can put this on 20%, and then we click here on buy Bitcoin. Now, I don't have Bitcoin right now, but this is how you can create a spot trade in Weex. If you have questions about something, please let me know in the comments. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.